How to install Fazup sticker patch on your phone, or how to install Fazup patch on your phone even when you can't see your phone model on the positioning guide list. These are examples of completely sealed, brand new Fazup anti-radiation patches. Now, there are Fazup boxes that only contains one sticker inside. There are boxes with 2 pieces and 4 pieces. However, in this case, the ones that you're seeing on the screen are Fazup with duo patch or 2 pieces of stickers available in one box. Make sure that the product's box is completely sealed when received. Otherwise, return the product to ensure the quality of purchase. Kit includes the following: 3 metal pieces, a blue anti-adhesive tool stick. It's used when you need to move the sticker so you won't be touching it with your fingers. The foam and plastic positioning tool. This is required in applying the Fazup patch to make sure it will be placed on the correct location on your mobile. The horizontal and vertical lines we see on the foam is where we will be inserting the metal pieces later. On the other hand, the round plastic part on the positioning tool is where we will be placing the sticker later. It's also useful for when we need to press the sticker at the back of your phone, just like this. The 4th is the user guide, and then the 5th is the positioning guide. How to install. Gather all of the tools, like what we've done here. The next step is to consult the positioning guide included in your Fazup kit. It is this one right here. It will tell us where we must place the 3 metal pieces we have right here on the phone positioning tool. In the event that you can't see the model of your mobile phone or tablet on the list, no worries, it's completely normal because technology changed really fast, so do not worry. Just go to fazup.com to get the combination of your mobile phone. I have right here my iPhone 7s. This Fazup sticker has been installed on this phone for I reckon 2 years now. However, for this video, we will be installing the sticker on a different phone, a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You will see here that it is completely not on this list. But what I did was to search Note 10 Plus Fazup positioning on Google, and then the link for the up-to-date list of positioning will show up. For faster searching, on my keyboard, I have pressed Command F and typed in Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let's zoom the screen to see the proper combination better. I have here I2, A9 and E1. The next part is to peel off the sticker and place it on the round plastic part of the positioning tool. Use the blue anti-adhesive stick to move sticker just to make sure everything's properly placed, which in our situation looks pretty much alright. Make sure that the back of your phone is clean before patch application. Our next move now is to slide our phone into the positioning kit where the sticker is waiting. Press the soft brown part to apply the patch and then finalize the application with your finger. Now, just a quick tip. If the Fazup sticker patch oversteps just like the one on the iPhone Plus that I have here with me, well, just let it be. We may cut the plastic part if you want, but we must not cut the circuit area. Also, to guarantee the lifespan of Fazup, it is highly recommended to use a protective case. Thanks for watching the video. Do hit like and subscribe if the content has been useful to you.